What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for checking this one out. Today is nothing too crazy, but I got something in today that I've been waiting for quite a while, quite a few weeks, and I'm pretty excited for it. So I'm going to get straight to it, and I'm just going to unbox it, show you guys everything, and then we're going to get to installing it on this thing. And let me know what you guys think. But let's check it out. Well, I just got it unwrapped because I couldn't unwrap it and hold the phone at the same time. This thing was wrapped up like Fort Knox. It was insane. But finally got it open, and man, it looks great. It looks so awesome. I'm really impressed with the quality of this thing, and I cannot wait to get it on. But here it is, guys. Bam. More carbon fiber, of course. I had to do it. And this thing just looks insane. It's called the MMD Modular Muscle Design V-Series spoiler. And obviously it'll go right on the trunk, and it's gonna look pretty badass. It's gonna look sick. See if I can put it on there and get you guys a better view of it. Woo! All the carbon. I'm in love. Here we go. Let's put this thing on.
Nah, just
I was gonna say.
yes,
Take
sir.
the latch off.
Let me grab a screwdriver.
Oh shit! I don't have the wood. There.
Pops the MVP for the puller, the clip puller. That thing's a lifesaver. Now I don't know with this thing. Might have to pop this off.
That's what I was thinking.
Kind of work around it.
I don't even see where.
Yeah, there's a spoiler bolts underneath up in here.
Where? Oh,
Up in there.
right there.
Mm-hmm. All right, I'm gonna grab some sockets and start taking shit off until it comes off.
Chad.
All right.
If you scratch it, I don't care.
Scratch what? Ah, that'll be all right. Matter of fact, I'll do that right now. Yeah, see? Come right out. And there is a bolt in there, so. So it's probably gonna be like two-side tape. Clean the trunk lid before we mount the new one, just because I'm psycho. See if I can use this. There we go.
Yeah, let's see.
Magnets for the win. All right, let me get these bad boys. Take this extension off.
Trying to get it up as high as I can without ripping it.
Oh yeah, you're fine.
2 hours later.
All right, let's hope this comes off easy. Yeah, it's definitely got some two-side tape and something. That thing is on there. Here, you know what? We could just shut it for now. Woo! That thing is on there, Pop. Let me get this little thing I got. Oh God. Damn.
Hey,
What's up, buddy?
what you doing, buddy?
You doing, Pop? Crazy boy. Damn, that thing is on there. Alright, well, we got it off and got left with this shit. Now we gotta try and get all of that glue and bullshit off. Here's the old one.
Just got it on. Man, that thing looks great. Man, this looks so good.
Damn. Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick ass boy. Damn.
See how it looks in the sun, and man, does it look good. This thing's really coming along. I know it looks kind of weird with the stock wheels and everything, but once I get some drag wheels on here, it's really gonna come together. Even that front lip looks good. Whew. Oh man, I need some welds. Welds and some turbos. She'll get there. Well, there it is, guys. I hope you guys like the spoiler as much as I do. I think it really gives it a nice look in the back. And the car's coming together slowly but surely. I'm just, taking care of the little things right now. And I hope to get some wheels here soon. That's really going to set the car off. I don't know, I really want welds, but I don't know what I'm going to go with yet. I'd like to get another beadlock set like I had on the Z06. That would be really nice on this car. But we'll see. Time will tell. And we'll see what happens. But I'm really impressed with the MMD stuff that I have on this car so far. Everything's been fitting great and the quality is amazing. I have their carbon fiber paddle shifter extensions. I got their carbon fiber side mirror covers, and I got the now carbon fiber V-Series spoiler. And everything to fit, finish, and the quality has been great. So if you guys got a Mustang and you're looking for some nice cosmetic upgrades, make sure you give MMD a shot and give him a chance, and I think you'll be really impressed. The spoiler install went flawless. I don't know what's going on with my GoPro. That thing has been giving me a lot of issues. I think I just got to update it or whatever, but sorry about some of that footage, but it is what it is. But I thought I'd bring you guys along for that, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. But if you did, make sure you hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I'd appreciate that a lot. And stay tuned for more videos coming soon. I got some cool things planned, and I'll catch you guys next time. Have a good one.